What's up, guys? Good morning. We are on the fucking late train today. Had some trouble with my OBS system. Oh, look at that! Look at the new shirt. Look at that, looking good. Um, had some trouble with the OBS system. Trying to get everything situated and everything. Welcome, guys. Let's jump right in. Don't really have any announcements. I have the merch stuff up. There's a couple of shirts like this one, and then just like the logo lettering, and there's hat on there. There's a hat on there. There's like just a couple things. So, like this shirt, the lettering shirt, and black or white, and then the hat and whatever. I'll put the link here in the thing. Um, so if you go to news, and then you click on merch, you'll be able to see it. And for some reason right now it's not working like on a mobile. So like if you go on a phone, it doesn't necessarily work. It You have to go like on a computer, on a desktop computer, and you'll be able to see it. Um, all right. So let's jump right in here, guys. Look at some tickers, things like that. All right, yeah. If you guys could leave me a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everyone that took a look at the video from yesterday. The strike price video kind of went off the chain. It's really cool to see all that. I haven't taken a look at anything. I got to the desk and I just like kind of went crazy trying to get everything taken care of. So this is funny though that yesterday on Zoom, this it's all the way back to where it was before. So they definitely use that as a buy the dip type of opportunity. Um, and I'm just saying that because it's on my screen as of right now. So all right, so here we have the spy guys. We had earnings last night for Amazon, Facebook, and Apple, and this brought the spy up yesterday after hours, and now we're just kind of in this range. So if we come back out and we take a look, well, now we're up at this higher range where this 328. It's going to act as resistance again, and we need to get above that. So if we could get some momentum to get above that, and I'll put my pivot lines here to help me. Um, Oops. There we. So this makes it a little bit harder to see, but then when you come in closer, here you could see. Um, Actually, let's do it like this. All right, that makes it a lot easier there. So you can see that the 329 is the upper one that we're looking to get to here today. This one here, the purple one, lavender, whatever you want to call it, and then we have the red to green line also at that same area, this 323 area, 324. So if anything, we may get this where it comes down, bounces, and then comes up to that 329, and it may take all day for it to get there. So who knows? I'm really hoping we get some momentum today and we could actually get going. Welcome everyone that is on YouTube, guys. Welcome, guys. Um, all right, guys. I have the mic on the chat. If you guys don't want to, or actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep the audio on the YouTube. If you guys want to hear everything, you guys could come on the YouTube today. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the audio here in the room. The typing, like if you want to type and everything, I'm gonna keep the chat up. The chat is still gonna be up and active in there. And obviously, if once I move over here to where it looks like this, right? You'll be able to see the chat in the room and stuff too. So just give me a few moments. So obviously we're going to be looking at those ones that had earnings yesterday. I've been kind of looking forward and waiting for this. Hoping we get the dip and rip here on Amazon, where see if we could continue to go further. But this is pretty high up there. This is $100 candle right here at the for earnings yesterday. So want to see how this reacts. See if it pulls back here, maybe towards this 3200. Let me actually put a line there about there. looks pretty good. So if we get a dip and rip to here to that around that level, and then the second one I'm looking at is gonna be right there. There we go. If it'll freaking draw. So for it to hold that those levels and then for it to bounce further up. So makes sense. Hopefully we could break above these all-time high levels, 3265. See if 30 yeah, 3265, and then this one here at 3240, 3344. So 3300 today would be pretty cool. So if we could get it, especially with it being Friday, hopefully the premiums calm down. I bought a little bit of Amazon yesterday for like 89 dollars a share or something like that, or $80 a share. So it was nuts. Um, so I don't even know how to say it with the accent, bro. Um, all right, so that's Amazon. That's if the market stays relatively bullish here on the SPY, guys. How am I looking on time? I have 10 minutes. All right, cool. So then on Facebook actually got above this 250 level we're looking at. This thing still has some room to go. I really like this. We finally got above this 250. So looking for the same thing here for this dip and see if we could take off here at the open. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over here. Yep, already have Facebook, Amazon right there. Option chain. All right, cool. We're good to go there. I need to get like some background music or something. I know you guys could kind of hear. You guys could kind of hear like the music that I'm playing like in my speakers, but um, if like it gets picked up on the mic, YouTube gets mad and I get copywritten and bunch of stuff, bunch of stuff. It's Facebook. Yeah, that's what we went over right now. So there's someone asking about like if you guys held through earnings, if you guys had calls over earnings, um, you have what's called IV crush. So there's already a percentage of the move that's already put into the a percentage of the move already priced in for the earnings. So if it has to move more than that amount, which I don't know what it was for Facebook, it was probably around like 10% or something like that, maybe 5%. And then it has to go above that in order for your contracts to actually start printing money again. So at the open, you're gonna probably see that you didn't make that much money actually, even though it's up. The other one, and everyone, I swear, everyone learns that the hard way. And you only do it once before you ever do it again. Like, YouTube is trash. Why is YouTube trash? Because they demonetize me or copyright me. How's Tesla? Tesla's looking pretty good. I don't know. I haven't pulled it up yet. So Amazon, Facebook, and then the other one that had earnings was come on, Apple. All right, so Apple here. This is the one that everyone is actually talking about. So they presented a 4-for-1 stock split where this will go back down to being about $100 on Monday actually. So from August 1st. So August 1st is tomorrow. Then it'll go back to being $100. Please don't buy puts on it because you think it's going down at $100. Please don't be that person, dude. Um, all right, but this is excuse me. Um, is there that much latency between me and me saying it and stuff on YouTube? Because I have it on the ultra low latency on YouTube right now. All right. So then on Apple here, guys, this is really strong. We wanted it to get over 400, right? So the last, I don't know how long, we had all these peaks up here to get towards 400. Told you it was going to take a catalyst, something to get over that back. Now, now that it's over 400, this is going to act as support around this 399, 95, 400 area. So if we get a pull back down to this level to validate that it is support now instead of resistance, we should get a pretty nice bounce around in that area. So that's what we're looking at here. But a $10 slide off, which is going to be like a 2%. 2% downplay in order for it to bounce is a little bit unlikely. We may get just the dip and rip at the open, so we'll keep that here on the side. So those are the three that I'm going to be focusing on today, guys. Also have Tesla on here. If everything starts picking up, everyone starts putting it feeling a lot more perky and whatnot. You can see that here in Tesla, this is what I've been telling my guys, is that Tesla does not like being above this 1520 area. Anytime it gets above and it gets to like this fib line, it goes up and then it comes back down. You could play that almost every day, just making a paycheck. So we'll see how it reacts, though. It's looking pretty strong here in pre-market. So today might be the day where it actually does want to take off and go. So but as of lately, when it gets over 1520, it doesn't like staying over there. But in the longer term picture, this is they're accumulating here pretty strong in this level. And then we had this push up like over 3 days, and when the market came down pretty hard. But other than that, so a lot, dude. Like I have August 31st. Oh, August 31st or 1st for the stock split. I thought it was August 1st. How did I get the posters behind me? Dude, the same way that you just asked, dude. I saw some guy on what do you call it? Some guy on Instagram. So some guy on Instagram, he actually he had them. If you type in just on Google, type in Alec Monopoly, or Banksy inspired art, then and then it'll come up. It's actually a shop on Etsy, so it's Alec. It's called like Showtime or like Big Time Posters or something like that on Etsy. So there's the stuff right there, dude. But I fucking love them, dude. They're pretty cool. My studio stuff is actually coming along pretty cool. I even put on the big camera right here so you could kind of see. I don't know if you want to. I'm over here all proud. So like you could, I don't know. But yeah, they have like a lot of different ones that you could get and stuff. I used to have like the smaller ones when I had I didn't have the room. I had smaller ones above my desk, and now I got the bigger ones. And I have a couch coming from back there, but it's stuck in China or somewhere, dude. I don't know what the hell happened to it. And then like over here to the side, I'm gonna put my helmet. I used to have my gun right there, but I don't think people liked me having my AR-15 up there, but no, they came rolled up. So they all came rolled up, and then I went to Michael's. And I bought frames. I think the frames were like $10, dude. So not a big deal. Anyways, back to trading. All right. So that's the main ones that we're looking at. Obviously, like there's gonna be other ones that pop up. Please put them in the chat as you do see them, and then we will trade them. Okay. Is there any other ones that you guys want to go over real quick? We got like 2 minutes. Actually, I don't think we're gonna have time. So All right, guys. Everyone, make sure we have a. Oh, this is the last trading day of the month, guys. Let's. If there's not anything ideal for you, don't force any type of trades. It's okay to sit sidelines, especially with the weekend and the new month, guys. It's the most horrible feeling to go into a new month with a red day, and I feel like you have the AR-15. I had it hanging right here, and I don't think people really appreciated it. So um, I'll put like my motorcycle stuff right there, and then I have like other stuff coming for the background. Um, anyways, it sucks going into the new month red, guys. So don't force anything. Let's make sure we're using our stops, mitigating our risks. Always be taking profit and paying yourself. All right. I'm gonna switch over here, guys, to this other screen. All right. All right. Cool. Oh, you're 14, dude. Dude, if you're 14, you're getting into the stock market. You're way ahead. You're way ahead in life, bro. Way ahead of life. My biggest problem when I was 14 was trying to keep my boner like in the inseam of my shorts, dude, so it didn't show to the class. Yeah, dude. Like, I don't like in my personal life. I really don't give a shit, bro. But like, when it comes to like that's the way I make money on YouTube. It kind of sucks. 320, 320, 50. All right, I like this 30 20 area on Amazon, guys. It's still coming down. Yeah, dude. I wish I even had any idea about the market when I was 14. You young cats, dude. You guys don't know how good you have it. Like to be doing this stuff as you're young. Um, and then if you're learning in this type of market environment, bro, you're invincible, bro. If you're learning when all this shit is going on right now, you could trade in anything. So I got a little bit of Amazon here on the dip and rip, guys. So here to the 32.10. So if you take a look here, it came in at how to put in the spike right here, and then we wait till the second candle, it comes back up, and then waiting for this to come up further. All right, so I need the market to bounce here on the SPY, guys, in order for this to go up more. It's holding this T3 area, and we have this right here, but we need this to go up. Also looking at Apple as well. Apple's at 406 right now on the pullback. So if it starts bouncing, we will get in. There's like a bunch of like market related art that's out there now. It used to be not like that. It used to be that there was like a lot of stuff that wasn't out there, and now there's a lot of stuff out there though. On Amazon here, guys, we got to get above this VWAP. So this this VWAP area right here. If not, I'm gonna start just taking my position off. Think Amazon will pop more? I'm hoping so. Yeah, we're looking pretty good right here on Amazon. So we obviously we don't trade on hope, right? But we're making these higher lows right here, which I'm liking. So that's what's keeping me staying in. But we got to break this VWAP area right here. And I got 3250s on it, dude. So 3250s is the strike price that I have. If anyone was interested, I did get a little bit further out the money. Kind of ironic. I released a strike price video last night, and then I do something totally different. But on Amazon, since it moves so much, you can get it a little bit more out the money because of the way that it does move. Why would puts have been bad on been idea? I didn't say that. I'd say that it would have been a bad idea. Oh, so I stopped out here on Amazon, guys. We'll see if it bounces off 3200 here. Don't be that guy. I don't remember saying that. I'm sorry. I don't know what I said. He was. Yeah, I know he was talking about Apple, but I don't remember saying don't be that guy. Oh, the split. Oh, what I meant by that was is that I was on like some Facebook groups and stuff last night, right? And people were saying, "Oh, so we're buying puts because it's going down to 100." I'm like, "Dude, you guys are fucking idiots, dude." In money, I don't do it in money, dude. I do it in contract. How many contracts? What's up, Mr. Alejandro? What up, dude? Just here losing money, bro. I did five contracts at 3250. So I'm down 3K right now because I wasn't paying attention when it broke. Yeah, I like Monopoly, dude. He's a really cool artist. Lots of cool stuff. All right, now is everything going to start bouncing? Can we get in now? I don't like. I don't know why the super trend comes in on this thing, dude. Like, there we go. I thought I had the pivots right here. Cool. Congrats to Carolyn. She just made her first $2,000 trade. Very nice. Congrats. So this is the area that we're talking about. We want the spot to get and then to bounce here, guys. So if see if Amazon can get in and bounce too. Yeah, dude, I hate people that don't share shit, dude. Like, where they get stuff, what they do, dude. Like, shit, I didn't make it, bro. Like, I don't know why people are stingy with sharing stuff. Like, oh, Apple's bouncing up, guys. There's no entry for me there. There wasn't a setup for me to get in at that point. So on this Amazon, I'm gonna try again here on this Amazon, based on this compression here going sideways, and and I think the SPY is gonna bounce here too. It looks like pretty in this area, so it's down here. I don't have Tesla up. There we go. Now we're looking pretty good here on Amazon. If we get up here towards the VWAP though, and we can't break the VWAP again, it's a bearish sign that if that happens. So if we can't break the VWAP, I'll go ahead and take profit there, and I'll look to get puts the other way. Good, Alejandro. Yeah. So the same thing with Apple, right? So, dude, this is so hard trading and explaining at the same time. So on Apple here, that we have the VWAP sitting right here at this 408.45. So we get this huge bear flag, right? So this downslide up here, this is a huge bear flag, right? Then if it can't get over the VWAP, that's a bearish sign. You got to look for puts if it holds below, and if it doesn't, if it breaks above, then you could definitely for it to go further up. What the hell? Oh man. So Facebook is looking pretty good right here, guys. They got to get above 252.74 or so, 252.75. But it's looking pretty good so far. I wish the SPY would have freaking give me something to work with here, though. So here is the SPY here bouncing off of the pivot again, guys. And so I'm in Amazon again, like I said, guys, with this where it finally found this support area, and it's going up. But like I said, we have to get over VWAP right here. This 3202 also giving us a hard time. Let's go Apple. He said, if it gets to 252 Facebook, which call would you take? Honestly, like right now, I would already take it right now. So, if it dips down again, or like it's doing right now to 250, then you get like 250, 255 calls. And if you look at Amazon, guys, you guys watch me put these lines here in pre-market, and this was pretty nice. I should have been patient for it to come down the first time to this level where I said. There you go, Apple. There you go. All right, there we go, SPY. So now we're bouncing here a little bit. Yeah, next week. So unless we get some like big moves, right? So something that's gonna move, very quickly, then yes, you would want to buy yourself some time and look at the next week expiration. If we start getting, if you start, that's it's something that you kind of have to learn from experience to know that, like, to gauge the volume and how fast the ticker's moving to say like, okay, like I'm gonna use this week's expiration because I know that the data's not gonna get me. But right now, because of the way things have been, absolutely, but just stay safe by the next week's expiration, bro. And there goes Facebook, dude. So for you guys with the smaller accounts, this is like what I've been preaching here lately. I was about to pull out the Webull account and start getting in right here on the bounce of the pivot on the SPY, and I just didn't want to be on a trade on this side and on the Webull. Good. I mean, that's the way you should do it, Jude. So that's the way you should definitely do it, dude. Is yes, I'm still in Amazon, dude. It's still holding in this area in this line here, and I may even give it to 3180 or so. But this is I don't know, dude. If we need the spot to build trend further up for it to follow. Yeah, the 3200 is giving us a headache, dude. Netflix giving another entry. Yeah, so what I was saying is that with Apple going up to the VWAP, that's the relevant resistance, right? So that's the next relevant resistance we were looking at. You gotta pay yourself. So you gotta pay yourself because you know that it could pull away from there and not look back. So you gotta take profit and do that. Now, if Apple comes and like the way that we're talking about right now, so if Apple comes and pulls back to the VWAP and it holds, you add those 3 contracts back that you just sold, and then this should continue to go further up. If it does pull back, hold, and then continue to go up. Amazon is making me look stupid, dude. There's that pullback on Apple that we're talking about right here, dude. Oops. I don't have the VWAP on this one, but it's right at the VWAP again, and then for it to go up. And I sold my Amazon, guys. Honestly, to the downside, this Amazon play to the downside was actually really nice. It popped up here to the pre-market highs, and then also the 3250 up here, and then for this to come down, that's like 50, 40 some, 80 some points. Usually you usually use fib extensions. Yeah, I sold on my Amazon. Yep. See right here where I came in and held the VWAP right here again? Dude, I was going to join you on this, and I didn't get a chance. Just watching, guys. I think I'm just early on Amazon. I'm gonna get it. Watch. The 3 that you have left, honestly, dude, I think you're doing pretty good. If we reject this 410 and we can't get above 410, then just go ahead and sell. But you're looking pretty good here so far. Everybody's going FOMO all day today. Probably, dude. I think that's a little bit what happened to me on the Amazon. And the thing was, is I was up like maybe 2,000 on the Amazon, and then it was still in play. It was still, you know, in a good position, and I just didn't take profit. That was a good move, Ruben. I'm glad you're here, bro. Like I didn't even do roll call this morning. Maybe that's why I'm sucking at my whole process is out of line. I didn't tell everyone good morning. Adam, Alberto, Ashen, Bags, what's up, guys? Good morning. G Money, Carolyn. I almost said my own name. Flash, Santiago, Jersey Boy, Blues. Wait, what's up? Mateo, NFX, Pedro, Richie, Roger, Clay, Sanchez, Sanjeev, Skip. What's up, guys? I'm over here preaching on not having red days before the beginning of the next month, and I'm not doing too good. Do you see the buyers that are stepping in here on the VWAP anytime that it dips down here on Apple? So we would want this area to go ahead and hold right here. So it is turning into consolidation or compression. So we should start seeing some dots being printed here in the here probably pretty soon. But this is actually pretty nice right here, where I think I may join you guys on this Apple right here, dude. There goes Apple. Damn it, I missed it. Dude, I like Amazon right here. Yeah, I like Amazon right here. We got the thing is on the SPY, dude. We got to get above this right here, the T3, and then I'll feel better about Amazon too. It's a T3. It's a T3 moving average. So 813 and 21 EMA. Smooth with the hull. Yes. All right. So this will be my last time trying Amazon right here, guys. So we actually got the compression here this time in the cross. So I like this setup a lot more. We just got to get above 3200, and then this VWAP right here. And then I also like that the SPY is trying to curl up and hold support right here as well. So yeah, just you could be patient on Apple now, dude. You could leave that shit on. I know Amazon fucking sucks, dude. I'm looking at Tesla right here too, guys, where it's bouncing off the red to green line. The red to green line here, where it's actually compressing here sideways, and all these things want to break up and go up, but the SPY's kind of dragging them down. Done with Amazon today. Did you take three? Did you strike out? Do you guys see the volume of contracts on Apple? 32,000 already traded. I'll have to take it off. Yeah, yeah, NFX. Back up. Oh, you. I don't know, dude. Two times, dude. Right now that it's going sideways, it's a little bit tough. Right now, I do want to get in here at this 408 on this dip for it to continue going up, but the overall market just isn't bullish right now to support it to go that way. Oh, I see. Big red? Yeah, I'm down pretty good today too, dude. I've taken 3 cuts on Amazon, and cuts on Amazon aren't regular cuts. They those ones hurt. All you guys that aren't in my room, welcome, welcome, guys. We do this every Friday. We trade and stream live. If you guys want to come hang out, kind of give you a taste of what it's like to be in my room, the way that we trade and we go through over stuff together. If you guys have any tickers that you're looking at, trade ideas, put them in the chat. We'll go over them, share the knowledge and wealth. Thank you, dude. I'd appreciate it. Roku, Roku. I don't like trading Roku, dude. It has way too many like fake outs and. But yeah, I do like this double top right here. We could break the T3 and VWAP. Did you take Apple NFX? I don't know if NFX is on there. I know, dude. The 400. I wanted it to get to 400 too. On Roku, yeah. PayPal put sweep. There's some good opportunities today, like on Tesla, guys. So on Tesla, like I said, it was above that 1500 at the 1520. This thing faded down all morning so far. Um, so, oh, is it really? I haven't even pulled it up and looked at it. What would be really crazy is if there's a short squeeze on Kodak here in like a week or a couple days or whatever. I know the spy. So I have this line right here, this manually drawn resistance support line. It's a lot of stuff going on here in this area, but kind of sucks. So Amazon here is holding this area pretty well, 3175 ish, 3170. Um, oops, damn it. I stopped out of my Amazon right there, guys. Once I looked at it on the bigger time frame, I'm like, there's no reason for me to be trying to get this to bounce up here. And honestly, this has a long way to go down, dude. Like, yeah, I mean, we have all the way down to this 31.25 to come down. So maybe I'll start looking short. So if we get a pop back up, I'll see if we could get short. But I was gonna pull up Nvidia this morning too, and but I didn't because I already just had so much I was looking at already. But yeah, um, yeah, dude, a little bit frustrated with myself to be honest, guys. To be honest, if I'm being 100% transparent, my thing was is I jumped into Amazon right away at the kind of at the open to do the dip and rip. I really really need to go back to waiting the 10 minutes and waiting for the sentiment to set in. And I may miss some plays, like I may miss some plays doing that, but going back to that is going to be key because then this happens where I keep on trying over and over again and it sucks. Yeah, there you go. New job for everyone. Hold me accountable. Waiting the 10 minutes. Because once I get some sentiment, dude, I'm hard to freaking stop once I know the direction we're going. I could wait for my setup once I have a direction. It sucks because like we came straight to the same area where we were trading yesterday. The way as far as like on the spy, what I mean by that is, so we had the gap up, right? So we had the gap up, because of the earnings of the Apple, Amazon, and Facebook, and now we're just back in this shitty ass range that we were yesterday, the day before. Um, Sucks. So that would have been the way to look at it. Is like, okay, like this is a fluke because of the earnings that it's up, right? And then for it to come back down into this area that it was in. But hindsight is always 2020. It sucks because now I missed the move to the downside. I can't do nothing about it. Like, so, except hope maybe we get a bounce. I don't know. I hope the mic isn't picking up the music. Can you guys hear the music? To Barbie Girl? Flow Algo? Okay, cool. We could put on some Barbie Girl if you want. I don't have any trades on. I'm flat, dude. Um, if you guys want to, if you guys want me to tell you a story, I could tell you a story. But I'm waiting for a setup to see. Now Amazon's gonna try again. Do all of you guys have Flow Algo? All you guys that are on here on the YouTube, all of you guys use Flow Algo or Blackbox? I know a few of you guys like Cheddar Flow as well. I saw I was going through like my SEO for YouTube, and I see a lot of people search for earnings, or excuse me, I think it's called like Stock Whisper or something like that. I don't know what the hell that is. Like, if someone uses it, someone tell me that how that is the whisper thing. If if here on Amazon, guys, on this one on the 1 minute, if we start seeing my CCI giving me the vertical line right here, the vertical green line to get in, I'll go ahead and take a position on it. Oh, you just got Flow Algo yesterday? Damn, dude, you're 14 and you could afford Flow Algo? I need your allowance, bro. No, not earnings listing. It's almost like Cheddar Flow and Flow Algo. It's called uh, the Stock Whisper or something like that. No, there. I know the earnings whisper. I know that. But then there's another one, dude. There's Watch, I'll Google it right now. Um, See, this is the website for it right here. Um, but I don't really get what it is. Like, I don't know if it's like it says services. Um, I don't know what the hell this shit is, dude. So if anyone uses it though, let me know if it's good. Yeah, the earnings whisper. I like them. Yeah, Stephanie. Who's Stephanie? Oh, that's her name. It's a chick. Oh, I didn't know it was like a trader or whatever. Oh, yeah. So like when I was looking at my SEO stuff for my videos on YouTube, that came up, and I was like, okay, I don't even know what this is. It's not even. Oh, damn. Yeah, I really like Flow Algo, dude. I don't like the company, like if that makes sense. I don't like the people that run it. I probably make them a lot of money, dude. I could probably do the math and figure it out, but their customer service is fucking horrible. The program works really, really well. Like, it works. You guys have seen it. Can we get some Trump stuff going on? And they changed like the Google app, dude, and it's kind of bullshit now. Alberto, what's up, dude? Damn, you got two trades, two winners. Oh no, two trades, one winner. I thought you went short on the second one. How many of you guys go through your phone and like go through and like swipe off all the all the open apps? Like I always have like a million open apps on my phone. Dude, I'm hard as shit on my phone. Uh, if the SPY starts going on an uptick, guys, um, like if it starts, going back up, Amazon will run, dude. Amazon and Tesla will run. Apple probably as well. There's something I was gonna do with my phone and now I forgot. Oh, right. For you guys that are not members of the New Age Wall Street, if you guys want to sign up and be members, we're having the annual sale right now. I'm just doing it here for the end of the month, so the till the end of the day today, you get $225 off. So it's $225 to sign up, and so you get one-on-one Zoom meeting with me. You get all the indicators that you see on the screen. You get access to that. There's also a library of other indicators, all the strategies, and live stream everything every day. So if you guys want to sign up to be members, you just go to um, You go to newedgewallstreet.com. You go to where it says sign up. You put in the code 225 off annual, and then you'll be able to take advantage of it. Yeah, NFX. So I know I'm having an off day today, guys, but I'm human. So, but we are definitely killing it, guys. If you guys want to join up, and then I'm gonna come into August with a little bit different strategy, because I am partnering with someone for some marketing stuff and everything, and I'll start having to pay like commission and stuff to them. So the prices are not gonna stay the same, guys. Like what kind of stock? Well, like, you mean like penny stocks? Awesome, dude. Welcome, bro. Not penny stock. You mean like so with Apple generally has smaller premiums, AMD, things like that. Honestly, like if those are in play, dude, if those are in play, I'll put them on there. The I don't discriminate like as far as like the size and stuff. I don't. If they're in play and there's a good setup, I'll put them on the watch list. But absolutely, dude. Yeah. So you signed up for the watch list, right? So like the watch list, you get the newsletters and stuff. I got a little busy on Wednesday this week to do. Usually I'm trying to send one every Wednesday as well. My goal, like to be honest with you guys, my goal for August. So I already wrote down all my goals and everything for this upcoming month. My goal is to be a lot more organized and doing everything for the room. So like right now it's like sometimes like I'll send it, sometimes I'll send the Wednesday one, and my goal is to do it consistently and be on top of it. So it's hard though, dude. It's hard to do everything all on your own. I do the YouTube videos. I do the emails, the live stream stuff, the everything. But I think I'm getting some help, so I think I'm hiring someone. Let me actually see if they email me back. Alerts in the room? What? Explain what you mean by alerts, dude, because there's a big discrepancy here, and I don't think I understand what you mean by alerts. Because if you're just telling me, if you're just asking for me to tell you where to buy and sell, you could, like, I don't agree with that, dude. Like, we don't, you'll never be successful in following someone else's trades, just being told where to buy and sell. If you're coming to say like, okay, what's in play, and I'll call out setups, like, you know what I mean. Like if you hear like today, like, you know, I'm calling out setups as they happen. Absolutely, like I'll call out the setups as they're happening and stuff like that. But I'm not just like someone sends me this thing, and it I guess their members send out a thing where it says buy buy Amazon above this price, puts below this price, and then they'll have another ticker like Roku buy calls above here, puts below this, and that's fucking stupid, dude. Like fucking idiots. Like don't even get me started on it because I'll go on a huge ass rant on it and I'll get fucking heated. I can't believe people like have that integrity and self respect to charge people for that shit and not care about them, like to teach them correctly. Honestly, like I go into honestly I go into I mean, I feel disrespected by where I put try to put so much time and effort into, you know, everyone to actually teach you the right way, and it's just it sucks, dude. That there's these a lot of them are kids too. Like a lot of them are these, you know, 20-something-year-old kids that are just putting out alerts, and no one wants to learn the right way, dude. No, dude, like it's something that I'm really fucking passionate about, bro. You get me talking on it. Like there have been some people that rage quit my room because I tell them off for that shit. But like it's funny to talk about now, but um like I'm serious. Like there's been people that rage quit my room because I don't give them alerts. And I'm really I'm not the one to hold your hand, dude. I'm not the one to like baby you or anything like that. Um someone complained yesterday that they're a female and I should be more soft on them, and I was like, "Yo, the market doesn't care if you're female, black, white, Asian, anything, dude. They can't see, you know, your demographic between you placing trades. Everyone, the only money, or excuse me, the only color the market cares about is cash, dude. Cash money green. If you got cash money green, you have a ticket and you could play. So, um, I really try to be like that, where it's no one tells you fucking sorry for losing money, dude. No one gives a shit if you lose money, if you make money, and I'm just being real with you. Like, uh, for us to make, the little money that we do, I average, $3,000, whatever, a day. No one gives a shit about the little money that I make, dude. There's people making six figures every day. No one gives a shit about the little pocket change that we're making, bro. So, um, so for someone to say like, give me alerts and stuff, dude, do you know how long it took me to learn the strategies and to be successful at this? To just say, oh, take all your knowledge, everything that you learned, all the money that you lost, use that, and then just tell me when to buy. You go fuck yourself with it, dude. And I'm really vocal about telling you how I feel about stuff. Um, I don't have to have you in my room, dude. I'm not in the whole thing for my room to have thousands of members. I really want to help people and give people an opportunity, at least an opportunity to be, to better themselves. So I will tell you up front, and I don't give a shit about your feelings. To be honest, I give a shit about you being successful. And I've been told that I'm cold hearted and I'm an asshole for it. So be it, dude. I'm I don't want to toot my own horn, but at least I am successful in it. I know part of what it takes. Yeah, so the whole thing about like alerts, like I get like I mean the whole reason I'm here is to help you like so the whole reason I live stream is for you to understand like as it's happening what's going on. So yeah, like an alert like of what's setting up and stuff like that. Yes, I'm gonna tell you like what's setting up, the setup that's happening and things like that. But for me, just to tell you where to buy and sell, I don't do that shit. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the live stream here on YouTube. I don't have anything else going on right now. I'm gonna actually get ready and go to the gym since I missed all the trades. I'm down 13,750 on the day, which I know it sounds like a huge number, but I took 3 or 4 trades on Amazon. So you break that down, I lost like 3 or 4 thousand on each one. Those are pretty good stop outs for Amazon. So with as much as it moves, I'm not mad about it. That's pretty normal for for Amazon. If it would have been like 20, 40, 50, 30, 40, 50, whatever thousand, then absolutely we have a problem. But 13,000 we can manage, and I still have the rest of the day. If we start getting some moves into like power hour and stuff, I could look into cutting that down a little bit. So, do you guys have any questions or anything um, about any setups, anything, indicators uh, before I get going here, real quick? Cool, guys. We'll catch you guys on Sunday for the Sunday Stockcast. We will go get ready for the month of August and go from there. All right. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Sunday. All right, guys.